Welcome. In front of me I have LENOVO Watch R1 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. First, you will need to turn on your watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the side button for a few seconds. And after the watch turns on, you will need to get the QR code to download the application. And to do that, you need to wake up the screen on your watch. After you wake up the screen, you need to swipe left to open the menu. On this watch, I don't know if it's just the specific watch or the model of the watch, but for some reason the touchscreen is a bit, let's say, it doesn't want to really cooperate with me, so sometimes it's just not working. But we need to swipe left on the screen to open the menu, scroll through the menu, find the app option and tap on it to open the QR code. As you can see, it is not wanting to work at some point, which is very frustrating sometimes. Okay, and here we have the QR code, and we need to basically open the camera app on our phone and point our phone's camera on the watch to scan the QR code. So let's scan the QR code to get the link for the application. And here we have the application we need to download. You need to tap on download. As you can see, I already have it, but I'm gonna tap on download again. And then we need to tap on open. And if you don't have the required permission allowed, you will need to tap on settings. It will direct you to this and install unknown apps. You need to allow from this source. And then if you don't have the app installed, you will see install button and you can tap on it. I have update because I already have the application installed. And then you can tap on open. We need to allow some permissions. And basically the app wants the permission for the photos and videos. I'm gonna allow it and then go back and it should be fine. Okay, and then we can tap on device icon, and here you can tap on add device, allow the required permission, allow the required permission. The app should start searching for nearby devices and it should detect your LENOVO R1. Tap on it. And after a few seconds, it should say connected. And if you open the menu on your watch, the info menu, it's when you swipe right on the home screen. Like I said, the touch screen on this watch is special. You will see this Bluetooth icon right here, which means that the watch is connected with a phone. And of course, it says connected right here. Okay, and that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.